In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to audit who can see what in a Basecamp project. We'll start right inside your project. Open the project you want to review, then look for People and Permissions. Depending on your setup, it might also be labeled Setup People near the top right. This area gives you a clear roster of everyone who has access, along with their role, such as employee, outside collaborator, or client. As you scan the list, focus on whether each person truly needs to be there and whether their role matches how they should be interacting with the project. Roles matter because they determine the default visibility and collaboration expectations for that person. Next, take a moment to review what clients or other external users can see. Basecamp uses item-level visibility for clients, which means you can keep internal work private while sharing only what's appropriate. By default, everything is private to your team. When you do choose to share something, like a message, a to-do, an event, or a file, you can toggle its visibility so clients can view it. Items that are visible to clients will clearly show a visibility flag, which acts like a quick shared indicator. Use those flags as a double check before posting sensitive updates, and consider adding context to shared items so clients know exactly what they're seeing. It's also helpful to understand your project's access type because it affects how easily people can join. Head to the To-Dos area and click New List. Projects can be invite-only, where only people explicitly invited will see the project, or All Access, where any team member can join and see the project if they choose. Invite-only is best for sensitive work. All Access is great for transparency across a team. Knowing which one you're using helps you interpret why someone might be able to see the project without a direct invite. If you're an account admin or owner, take your audit a step further in admin land. Open admin land and go to Manage People. Here, you can see everyone on your Basecamp account, view which projects each user has access to, and add or remove people from projects in bulk. This central view is ideal for spotting unnecessary access, cleaning up old memberships, and aligning access with current roles and responsibilities. To wrap up, run this audit periodically. Rely on visibility flags to stay client-safe, and keep project types aligned with the level of openness you intend. With these checks, you'll always know who can see what and why.